Today's tip is about knowing your audience. Before you make a presentation or a speech, it's worth your while to learn a little about your audience. First of all, how many people will there be in the auditorium? Do they know anything about your subject? And if they do know about your subject, how do they feel about it? An effective and a good presentation is really a balance between the needs of the speaker and the needs of the audience. You, the speaker, you want to inform, you want to persuade, but your audience has needs too. They are there because they're interested in the subject and they want to take something home from that particular speech. It will be worth your time and effort to research your audience and tailor your presentation to their needs. I'll be back soon with some more tips to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.